Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get a cheap domain for just $1 without buying the web hosting plans. So let's get started. Just open your Google browser and just search for IONOS, that is Ionos. It's one of the most famous websites for web hosting. Select this result, the first one, and enter your domain that you want to register here. So enter the channel name and click on search. And once this is done, you can see that this domain is available. I will turn off this domain card and other special offers because we don't want to spend more than $1 on this. I'll click on continue. It will try to upsell a lot of things like web hosting anywhere. Just click on domain only. And once this is done, it will take you to the checkout page where you have to either click on continue or do express checkout using PayPal. And I'm not sure if you can continue without entering the billing information. So I will quickly enter the billing information here. Make sure to put the right address, otherwise this will not let you go to the next page. So let me enter the name, the last name, country, everything. All the details that are required as accurately as possible. And once this is done, you can click on continue or you can directly click on checkout using PayPal. This will take you to the PayPal page where you can enter the PayPal email and your password. Click on continue and give the authorization to buy this domain. So once you sign in, it will ask you for the default card. I'll select my debit card and click on agree and continue. Okay, this screen might look different for you guys based on your country, but all the steps remain the same. Okay, so once this is done, this will redirect you to the Ionos page saying it's done. So it's asking me to create an account because we have to create a password. So make sure in the bottom we have to enter the password for this account. So once it's done, click on continue. And we can directly sign in now once this is done. Make sure to enter the same email as your PayPal, otherwise this will not let you sign in. So you can see we are at the thank you page. I will go back to Ionos and try to sign in again from the main page. Sign in. And I'll enter the email address same as my PayPal and the password that we just created a while ago. Continue. Click on next. And yep, that's it. We'll ask you to rate. You don't have to do that. My experience with this, the first time experience was, I can say I'll give it 3 out of 5. And go to domains and you will see the domain that we have just registered. Make sure to confirm your contact details by verifying your email. Click on resend verification email and just resend the verification email. Go to your mailbox and confirm it so that you don't lose this access to this Ionos account. And let me see how this screen looks like. Yeah, same like I mentioned. You have to verify your email address in order to use this account. Our verification is now done. I will try to refresh. And there you go. We have the domain and the status, the expiry, as well as from here you can buy more products like hosting and other details like email hosting, other products for cheap. So that's how you can buy a cheap domain for just $1 without buying a plan or a bundle with other companies. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.